Just think about it for a moment. When you open your favorite news app, you scan headlines, absorb a few tidbits, and move on. Yet, are you really engaging with what you're reading? Or is it more like that mindless thumb flick we all fall into? Here's the big idea: a simple, completely free way to turn passive scrolling into an active exercise that helps you build new connections and perspectives. The news article analysis is about transforming simple observations into powerful insights. And that skill, seeing what others overlook, is the foundation of creative thinking. It's built on a simple, structured three-stage framework: reaction, question, and rethink. First comes the reaction stage. The key here is not to overthink. As you read an article, jot down your gut reactions, emotional responses, first impressions, and any objective facts you notice. The goal is simply to capture your raw observations. Next comes the question stage. Looking at the reactions you've written down, ask yourself, what deeper issue might this story point to? Try to come up with a few powerful questions that get to the heart of the article. Finally comes the rethink stage. Here, you step back and connect your reactions with your questions to uncover a new perspective or insight. Let's see how this works with a real headline. Should we be letting flies eat our food waste? Start with the reaction. Some cities are using fly larvae to process food waste. Vilnius, in Lithuania, is saving a significant amount of money, and the resulting manure can even be used as fertilizer. Then move to the question: if this approach is so effective, why isn't everyone doing it? What's holding it back? Finally, the rethink. If a city can save money and turn waste into fertilizer using fly larvae, then the bigger barrier might simply be our instinctive disgust toward insects. In other words, the problem may not be waste management, it may be a problem of mindset. This is what the news article analysis is really about: challenging our assumptions and seeing opportunities where others might just see problems. So the next time you open the news, remember that you have a choice: passive scrolling or active analysis.